Children, let us go through chapter number 19, Reducing, Reusing and Recycling Waste. Now, waste generation, it is posing a lot of the problem for people all around the world, especially with the developing countries. So, people, they are looking out for the ways, for the measures, so that the waste, it can be disposed out in a proper manner to save the environment. Two of the ways by which the problem it can be solved out. One is to reduce the generation of the waste at the source level, where the waste it is generated at that level only the waste that is reduced out. The second one is to find the suitable ways to turn the waste into some sort of the potential useful thing or useful article. We need to reduce the use of the harmful waste to protect our environment, because all the living beings, they are directly or indirectly, they are dependent upon the environment. If the technology is also improved, so that the minimum of the resources they are used of in a proper manner, they are disposed of in a proper manner, purchasing of the items that we do not require, it can also be hold out. Then the awareness information is spread out for the in the human beings to reduce the waste. Then various of the articles such as the plastic bags, they can be replaced out by the cloth bag or the paper bags. The environment can be saved upon. The household waste, it can be used out to make the compost. Many of the household items, they are thrown off if it can be reused as a substitute for the purchase of the another new article. So that could also reduce down the quantity of the waste. And along with the reducing, the reusing of the waste can also help to reduce the waste. Like many examples, it could be there. The new notebooks that can be made from the old notebooks, the pages that are unused. Then the old cycle tires or tires, the bottles, tin can, they can be reused. Then many of the handcraft can be made out of the by making the items reused. Best out of waste can be thought upon. Then the solid waste from the industry, it can be utilized directly by many of the other industrial sector. So there are certain of the ways by which we need to think to reuse the articles. And various of the methods or the ways that can be looked out to recycle the waste. Like recycling, it is processing the waste into raw material usable in other useful materials. Say for example, we have gone through sugarcane topic. Now leftover residue of the sugarcane, it can be used out in the form of making the shoe wax, then polish, manure, fertilizer. Even the residue can be given as the oil cake or feed for the animal. So recycling of the waste into many of the forms, by reusing it, by recycling it, the waste it can be reduced out. Then waste can also be reduced by recycling the domestic waste, office waste, paper waste, scrap material, metal or textiles. Then the other way it can help is by reducing out the cost. Okay, now bagasse, that is the residue of the sugarcane after the extraction of the juice, so it can be utilized into manufacturing of the paper. So this is how recycling the waste, it can help reduce out cost at some of the point of using the article. Now advantages they are that the conversion of the natural resources, it can be taken place, manufacturers can be helped. Level of the pollution generated can also be reduced out. Then many of the communities, they have established recycling centers where they collect the recyclable waste, and the other usable items can be or materials can be formed out. paper cycling can be done, then the car recycling can also be done. So these are certain of the ways by which waste it can be reduced, reused and recycled. So children, here we finish up with the topic careful